Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina Scrap. I am back with a new stitch today. So I want to complete this needle book because it's a gift for someone's birthday at the end of the month, so I really need to complete it. So what I want to show you is how to do the stitching for the edge like that. I know it's a soft pink and I made it really tiny. But it allows me to kind of create a flip. So I want to put the needles here, and this way when you turn the page, you're not getting the needles on you. So I want to start with that, and then I'm going to do some embroidery here to decorate the flip page. So I'm going to do this one while showing you how to do that. It's really simple. It's just a matter of knowing how to do that. So first, I'm just using one strand of the thread. So if you want it to show more, you can use 3. Okay, so I'm giving it a good focus and an angle that I can work with the camera. So first I'm gonna do my knot at the end. Oh, I think I've already done it. Yeah, okay. You need a knot, and you can maybe start in the middle because you want to hide that little knot. So I'm gonna make sure it's all placed correctly. So I'm gonna start from the middle, but I'm gonna go at the back of the page. I'm gonna place that. So this way, I'm gonna come back here to the front, like if I was completing my first. Okay, so I zoomed differently, hoping you can see better. So what's next is you go do, like if you're doing your second stitch, so you decide which length you want and how big you want your stitch to be. The goal is to make them identical, which is the challenge. So when I'm almost gone through and the loop is small, I pass through the loop. And because I do that, it will do that thread here at the top, you see? So the next, I'm gonna do my next stitch, and again, when I'm almost done, I'm gonna pass through the loop, and it does the edge here. So I'm gonna do another one here, and then I'll change the angle to make sure you see. And when the loop is almost done, I go through the loop and then I give it the good tension. Here you go. We go like that. You do the stitch and you go through the loop and you give it the tension you need. Okay, I'll change my angle. I do my stitch, trying to do the same length. And when I'm almost done with that loop, I go through. And then I give it the tension I want. I do another stitch. So it's really easy to do. And I pass through the loop. And I give it the tension I want. See? I do my stitch. And I go through the loop. And I give the tension I want. Goes like that. You can do all the outside of a heart shape, of a square, any piece that you want to kind of do a finishing touch like that. Simple, easy to do. Have fun. See you next week for a new way to do the roses. Have a great week. God bless you. Bye-bye.